Hi, I'm Kai Armstrong. I'm a product manager at GitLab for our Create Editor group. I just wanted to show a quick way that I went in and diagnosed the problem and fixed it in the Web IDE for our marketing website inside of our handbook. And so there was a message on Slack that there was a duplicate line showing up on our GitLab product categories page, and that's not going to work for search, but we'll just change this out. So GitLab has this wonderful product categories page. And if we jump down into, we'll jump down to the editor group, product managers were showing up twice in here. So that was a little bit of an issue. So I looked into this and I was like, okay, so there's two. So first thing I did was go to navigated inside the repository view to the handbook. And so the handbook's inside the source directory, which I just know from making some changes, but fairly familiar. So we'll try and navigate through here. And based on the path, it's handbook product category. So we're just gonna go handbook, into product, and into categories. And so then this is the main index file that loads that page. So looking at this, kind of quickly just scrolling and looking for where we might display those categories. And then when we get to here, I notice that there's some partials. And so we don't actually contain the logic for these here. And so looking at this path, I was like, okay, we've got to jump back out of here. So these are in includes product categories. And so from here, you can go back to the source directory, which is kind of where the root starts. Includes product. And then I'm going to look at the categories one because it's the first one that shows up versus the categories names. And I kind of quickly skimmed this and this was fine, but I didn't immediately know what to look for. And so I did a blame just inside of our UI just to kind of quickly see where some recent changes might be to highlight that. And I noticed there's the group line product manager, and then there's another one that says product manager here. And so these two lines looked exactly the same, and this one was done 6 days ago. So that's how I kind of quickly figured out it was this change. And so you can just click on the change on the left, you get brought to the diff that shows you exactly what changed. And looking at this, I can see that this extra line was introduced. So from there, all I did was just open a new tab, pop open the Web IDE, and navigate back to that file inside the Web IDE. So we're just going to navigate back to source. Includes product, looking for product, and then categories. And so if I come back over here, looking for that group PM line, it's down here on line 40, 41. And so there we can see both of them. Because I looked at this change and it looks like the intent was to have this product management first and then product manager, I went ahead and I just removed this one up above. So if I were to just do this, deleted it, committed it, you can leave the default commit message, create a new branch, and automatically start a merge request. And so once I did that, we had a merge request. So hopefully that's a quick little bit to help you learn maybe how sometimes we can do these things entirely in GitLab without needing to check it out locally inside the Web IDE and then inside some of the repository tools to blame and find a file. Thanks.